Hi Eden, I'm here to show you how to fix the link in that assignment, the orientation assignment. So I'm inside the BCC High School Programs D2L shell. I'm going to go to Course Materials and Content where you've added that assignment. I'm already on the page, but if I scroll down you can see it's in my table of contents here, and I'm just checking the name, create a file. So we're going to change our file here. And you're going to edit HTML. And here I'm going to copy my URL. It's not all the way complete, so you'll see that I'm going to add a few items. Add URL. So I'm going to paste that there, but I'm also going to put HTTP in the back /, and then I'm just going to put this same link as the title. I want it to open in a new window. Insert. Oops, I put it in the wrong spot. Let me show you what I did, just in case this happens to you. So I need to make sure that I'm inserting the link in that space. So I've highlighted it. Then click the link. And I already have one in there, but you saw what I did before. So enter into the URL what you've copied. Add HTTP : // and then I just copy and pasted the URL again without adding the HTTP stuff. I want it to open in a new window for students and update. Then I want to update. And now when I try the link here, it should open here. And that's how it works. I hope that works for you. If it doesn't, let me know, and I'll try to help you troubleshoot what's going on with that link, but that's how I fixed it before. Oh, and I'm realizing something else while I'm here. The number that students can call, I forgot to put that in there. So let's do 3895. Update. Cool. So if that number is incomplete in your message too, please update that to 3895. All right, thanks. Let me know if you have questions. Have a nice evening.